Good afternoon, everybody. I have in front of me a new purchase. It's a holographic projector, galaxy sort of projector. Now it claims the images that are portrayed on your wall are 3D. Let's open it and see when we get inside. Successfully open with my craft knife. Let's see if we get in here. Oh, there's more tape on the sides. Let's just quickly get to those out of the way. Now then, the tape stuck to me. It's now stuck to the box. First thing you come across in the box, there's a little soft cleaning cloth for the lens. A full set of instructions in all sorts of different languages. And last but not least is the projector itself. Now it does come with a variety of slides. Also comes with a power adapter, which is really helpful. The last one I had, I just plugged it into my power bank. And there you go. There's your power adapter. Plug it into the mains. It does require mains, it's not battery operated. So there's the power adapter. And here, if I can wrestle out of this, which I can't at the moment. Bloody hellfire. These plastic casings they put these things in are horrible. Not only they're cheap and nasty, but they prevent you from getting anything out of the bloody things. Oh, nearly there. Nearly there! Whoa! Alright, let's get rid of the box. Do my head in that. Right. It does come with a remote control. Let's have a look at the projector itself. Ooh. Very nice. Very nice indeed. You can tilt it, and there's various tilt modes. So you can have it projected onto your wall or onto your ceiling. Entirely up to you. I'm looking forward to seeing what it actually does. How it looks. A few different buttons there to do different things. It probably makes the rotation slow or fast, depending on what you're looking at. The brightness, I'm not sure. More than likely, this is where you're going to put your discs. So, without further ado, I'm going to make it work and so you think it looks like, and if it's worth buying one or not. But first and foremost, I've got to go through the instructions because I haven't got a bloody clue how it works. So I'll see you after the instruction reading bit and show you what it looks like. Looking forward to that. I really am. Okay, I've taken a trip upstairs to show you the projector because the only room in the house that is dark is my bedroom, and that's because I have a blackout curtain. On account of the hours I work, I like it to be dark when I go to bed. So it's set up. Now, it also includes music. It doesn't come with slides that you have to interchange. It's all via remote control. So you can change from one scene to another with a remote. So let me take you now back into my room and let you see what this looks like. And I've got to admit, I fucking love it. Let's have a look, shall we? As I explained, it is, you can alter the height, and with the remote control you control what you see. try another one. Oh yeah. This can be projected onto your ceiling, your wall. As I said, it includes music. You can control the volume of the given music. Let's have a look at another one, shall we? That'd be so nice to fall asleep to, I must admit. And another one. Mother Earth. That is awesome. There's a focus wheel on it, so if you think it's slightly out of focus, as it is there, let's turn the wheel to get the sharpest image, which I think is there. How beautiful is that? Kids are going to love this. If that's portrayed in the ceiling, and it does reach to the walls as well. Wonderful. And look at that. Look at that. The solar system. All the planets orbiting the sun. Does that look good? Bear in mind it's not as dark as it can be. It will be later on. That'll be a little bit brighter. Just looks astonishing. Educationally, for kids, it'll be great. See if they can identify the planets that orbit ours and the sun itself. Look at that. Wow! That is my favourite. That's incredible. I hope the camera can pick this up because it's all obviously in very low light. But there you go. So what do you think? Think it's worth investing in one? Would you pay £120 for this projector? I would say it's worth every single penny. So I love things like this. Wonderful. Ooh-wee. Wow. Oh, ho, ho, look at that beauty. This is why I bought this. Saw a review of it on YouTube and I was so impressed. I had to buy it and I'm glad I did. Because that is incredible. You can hear the music in the background. And the meteor. Amazing. Let's see what the next one is. Oh, wow. Well, wow. Sorry, I'm like a kid with a new toy. I get excited about things like this. Then you wonder, I say simple things, please simple minds. This isn't simple, it's genius. What else have we got? Oh. Okay. Next. Oh, that's beautiful, nice. If your kids love space, they're going to love this. Good grief, man. Wow. And it's a really nice, self-compact little unit. Does need power. It doesn't run on batteries, so you will need to plug it in. But you can turn it on and off. If you leave it running, it will turn itself off after 2 hours by itself. So you don't have to worry about spreading anything out or it being on too long. 2 hours and it's done. It'll turn off until you turn it back on again. I think this might be my favourite up to now, to be honest. Let's see what's next. Wow, can it beat that? I doubt it. Oh. I don't actually know how many of these images are projected onto this thing. I don't know. I will go through it all another time because you're probably getting bored with it all now. I'm not personally, but good God, man. Bloody hell. Right, I'm going to turn it off now because I'll at least turn the light on. There we go. Wow! Is that fantastic or not? I made up with this. Only got it today, just picked it up at the Amazon locker this morning. Been shopping, went back to Les's, had a couple of glasses of wine there. Came back home, I couldn't wait to plug this in. There's the remote, everything you need is on that. Amazing. This is bloody amazing. Take care all, see you next time. Buy something new or I'm out and about. Adios!